According to speculations, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip for the Galaxy S24 series will be available in Canada, China, and the US for the vanilla S24 and S24 Plus variants. Samsung intends to obtain semiconductors from 2 manufacturers this year for its forthcoming Galaxy S24 series smartphones. Other markets, however, should anticipate Exynos 2400 chip variations. The Snapdragon S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is claimed to only have that version. It is rumored that the performance of this Snapdragon chip, which is special to Samsung, will be comparable to that of the regular 8 Gen 3 CPU. The GPU of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor utilized in the Galaxy S24 series is expected to have a clock speed of about 1000 MHz, according to information obtained from Tipster Ice Universe. This clock speed is probably faster than what we find in premium Android smartphones from various manufacturers that employ a standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. While Qualcomm has made available information on the clock speeds of their 8th generation processor CPUs, they have not published the clock speeds of its Adreno 750 GPU. In contrast to its stock cousin, it is anticipated that the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip would have a faster clock speed for gaming performance. In addition to the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 models, this specific chip will also find its use. Other than this, we haven't seen any images of the S24 Ultra, while several CAD renderings based on well-informed guesses and leaked measurements have surfaced. It is anticipated that Samsung's future flagship phone would look different from its predecessors, with a squared-off frame and noticeable circular cutouts for the rear-facing camera arrangement. A few weeks ago, several alleged color possibilities for the series appeared. Thanks to fan-made drawings released by Phone Arena, we can now get a peek of how the S24 Ultra would look in the rumored 4 colors and 3 unique tints. In summary, it is rumored that the S24 Ultra will come in yellow, violet, and gray. Additionally, orange, light blue, and light green are the 3 colors that Samsung may sell via its online shop. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.